12 டென்ஸையும் ஒரு ஸ்டோரியில் உங்களுக்கு நான் சொல்லித் தருவேன். நான் உங்களுக்கு ஆரம்பத்தில் கொடுத்த ப்ராமிஸ் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? ப்ராமிசஸ் கொடுக்கப்படுற டென்ஸ் சிம்பிள் ஃபியூச்சர் டென்ஸ். போன எபிசோடில் கிராண்ட் மதர் டென்ஷனாக இருந்தாங்கன்னு கிராண்ட் ஃபாதர் தெரிஞ்சு கொண்டார் தானே. அவங்க இல்லாத 2 ஹவர்ஸும் கிராண்ட் மதர் சரியாக டென்ஷனாக இருந்தாங்கன்னு சொல்லி கிராண்ட் ஃபாதருக்கு தெரிஞ்சுது. அதனால் அவர் இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராமிஸ் கொடுக்க போகிறார். I will come early next time. I will come early next time. Next time. I will come early. I will come early next time. So the negative சொல்ற நான் லேட்டா மாட்டேன். I will not. I will not be late next time. Will not. Want. I won't be late next time. லேட்டா வாரத்தை பற்றி கதைச்சோன்னு சக்திக்கு கேட்டுடு. சக்தி கேட்குறாங்க, எங்கே போவீங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம்? Question. Where will you go next time? Where will you go? Will you go? Where? Where will you go next time? Grandfather சிரிச்சிட்டே சொல்கிறார், next time I will go to buy a newspaper. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக்கும் அவங்க நியூஸ் பேப்பர் வாங்குறதுக்கு கடைக்கு போவாங்கன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அதே நேரம் சக்தியும் நெகட்டிவாக ஒரு கொஷன் கிராண்ட் ஃபாதர்கிட்ட கேட்குறாங்க. அப்போ அடுத்த தடவையும் நீங்கள் கிராண்ட் மதரை ஏமாற்ற மாட்டீங்க தானே, அதாவது லேட்டாக வர மாட்டீங்க தானேன்றதை கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறதுக்காக அவங்க அதை கேட்குறாங்க. Will not you cheat her again? Will not want. Won't you cheat her again? Won't you cheat her? Won't you cheat her? Question. Negative question. Singular பார்த்தோம்னா positive. He will come early. Negative. So examples-க்கு இதில் நான் உங்களுக்கு visible பண்ணியிருக்கிறேன். He will not come early. Will not want. He won't come early. Positive. Will he come? Will he come? Negative. Won't he come? Plural. Positive. They will wait for him. They will wait for him. Negative. They will not wait for him. Will not want. They won't wait for him. Positive. Will they wait? Will they wait? Negative. Won't they wait? Won't they wait? இந்த எபிசோட்ஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாட்டி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுவீங்க. அடுத்ததாக இந்த செஷனை நாங்கள் සිංහලத்தில் பார்ப்போம். මම කලින්ම කියලා තිබ්බනේ මේ 12 ටෙන්සර්සුත් මම 1 ස්ටෝරි එකෙන් ඔයගොල්ලොට මම කියලා දෙනවා කියලා මම කිව්වානේ, ප්‍රොමිස් වුණානේ. හරි. ප්‍රොමිසස් අපි දෙන්නේ සිම්පල් ෆියුචර් ටෙන්ස් එකෙන්. අද අපි බලන්න ඉන්නේ සිම්පල් ෆියුචර් ටෙන්ස්. ගිය එපිසෝඩ් එකෙන් ග්‍රෑන්ඩ් මදර් ටෙන්ෂන් වෙලා හිටියානේ. එතකොට ග්‍රෑන්ඩ් ෆාදර් එක බලලා අද ප්‍රොමිස් එකක් දෙනවා. Don't worry, මං ඊළඟ පාර කලින් එනවා කියලා එයා පොරොන්දු වෙනවා. හරි, කොහොමද එයා කියන්නේ? I will come early next time. I will. I will come early next time. එතකොට එයා නෙගටිව් එකෙන් කියන්නේ මං ආයේ එහෙම ලේට් වෙලා එන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියනවා. I will not be late next time. Will not want. I won't be late next time. ශක්තිය අහන්නේ question අහනවා. next time කොහෙද යන්නේ ඉන්නේ? Where will you go next time? Where will you go? Will you go? Where will you go next time? Next week, I will go to buy a newspaper. I will go to buy a newspaper. එතකොට ශක්ති එයා හිතනවා දැන් ඊළඟ next time උත් එයා ගිහිලා late වෙලා ආවොත් එතකොට grand mother ව cheat කරනවා වගේනේ. So ඒක negative question. So මේක තමයි simple future tense. දැන් මේ tense එකෙන් singular plural ටිකක් අපි බලමු. singular ගත්තොත් positive, He will come early. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ examples. Negative. He will not come early. Positive. Will he come? Negative. Won't he come? ඒ වගේ plural ගත්තොත් positive. They will wait for him. Negative. They won't wait for him. Will not want. Positive question. Will they wait? Negative question. Won't they wait? මේ එපිසෝඩ්ස් ටික ඔයාලට කැමති නම් ලයික් කරන්න, ෂෙයා කරන්න. මේ channel එක subscribe කරලා තිබුණ නැත්නම් subscribe කරලා තියන්න. ඊළඟ session එකෙන් අපි බලන්න ඉන්නේ future continuous tense. Thanks for watching.